Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the current affairs of 17 August 2021. So let's begin with our first question. What target has been set by the Prime Minister of India till 2047? The correct answer for this question is Energy Independent India. Our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has pledged to make India an energy independent country till 2047. That is our 100th Independence Day of India. Our second question for today is who has launched the National Vehicle Scrappage Policy with aim to modernize the vehicle population of India? The correct answer for this question is Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman is our finance minister. She has recently launched National Vehicle Scrappage Policy. The aim of this policy is to modernize the vehicle population. Under the National Automobile Scrappage Policy, the center has made it mandatory to scrap all state-owned four-wheeler vehicles older than 15 years. Customers with the scrapping certificate could also receive a waiver on registration fees on the purchase of new vehicles. Which country's Prime Minister Muhyiddin Yassin has resigned in August 2021? The correct answer for this question is Malaysia. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. The currency of Malaysia is ringgit. Let's move to our fourth question, that is where India's first drone forensic lab and research center opened. The correct answer for this question is Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Our last question for today is according to the report of Central Government 2020-21, what is the decreased number of billionaires? Correct answer for this question is 136. According to the new release report by Central Government, it has been seen that during the COVID-19 period, the number of billionaires had decreased, and that is now 136. This report has been published by Nirmala Sitharaman, our finance minister, through Income Tax Return Department.